All right, next step is going back to the actual blog and seeing what it looks like. So this is an if you want to change the title, color, article options, title color, you can do that by clicking that right there. And the sidebar options, obviously the title color as well. If you want to change the font, you can do that right there. And here's where I changed it, everything to go instead of from the right, where it used to be, I put everything on the left just by clicking that box there and clicking Save Change. Okay, moving on. Next thing, if you don't particularly like this, and if you want to change it, first thing I would do is if you hover over it, if you look at the bottom of the screen, it shows that it's actually going to empower almost a secret capture page. You can have it go to the same capture page if you want. And the easiest way to do that is simply clicking on that and copying that URL right there. Or you can go into your back office and get one of the lead capture pages that you want that image to go to. Okay, so in order to change that, if you look down here, when you're in this mode here and you're able to see all of these options and page customizations and so on, when you go down here, if you hover over it, you can see Edit Upload Image. I know, right? So you click on that, and here again you have to put in a title. So I can put free video, spell it right. Then you put a destination URL. Doesn't matter what it is. Obviously, you put the one that you want. And again, just like the header, you just click there and you upload a picture. Bada bing. Like so. So you pick anything you want. And here's the other thing. The size has got to be 315 by 555. At least. So that it fits in there. Because if it's bigger, obviously you can use this little bar here to crop it to the size that you want. So here, again, the same thing is you click crop and you click save. And bada bing, you've got yourself a new banner. It's really that easy. And this one works a little bit better than the header. Okay? So that's another thing. And then, for more tips, we're going to go to page customization. You can have, let's go back to this one here. You can have the lists that you want. You also have pages. And in the customization are these. And if you did have pages in your old blog, then they're carried over to here, which is why I have this list. But they don't work. Not only do they not work, but you can't see them. Okay? So if you were wondering where I got all this stuff from, this is where I got it, from these pages. But first you have to make them work. So first thing you do is you click on edit. And of course you can add pages if you don't have any. But since I have some, I'm going to just click on edit. So this is the page. Obviously some of the pictures are dropped off now, but they'll come back. Then you put in a page title. Or if you're editing, obviously it's already there. And this is the URL that it's going to be going to. This is going to be the permalink. So obviously this is my empowernetwork.com /empower. That's my username. Well, this is actually incorrect. This is always going to be incorrect. If you go to, let's see, Prosperity Factory, which is where I am now, and if I click on this one here and I click edit, as you see, instead of prosperity-factory.empowernetwork.com, which is what the real URL is, it says prosperity /factory /. Totally wrong. So ignore that. What you need to do is you need to put in this spot the actual permalink that you want to have after your domain. So, as an example, mine is empoweredncbs.empowernetwork.com. Okay? It's going to be /take-massive-action. Does this make sense to you? Don't worry about this right here. Just worry about your page title. Edit that. Put in something here, because when I went to edit this before, there was nothing in here. So I pasted in, take massive action, and I click update page. So now, if I go to Empower Network /empowernetwork.com, and I go / take massive action, which is not what I copied. I'm going to take this, and I'm going to take that. I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to put that over here. And if I hit enter, it's going to bring me to the Take Massive Action page, which, as I said before, some of the pictures aren't there, but they will be. All right? So this is a video that I did, and this was a page that I had, and that's why I have it here, and it's now in the drop-down. So when somebody clicks on more and clicks on this, they'll come to this page. But if you don't do this first, when they click on that, they don't go anywhere. Hope that makes sense. All right, so let's do another one just so you get it. Page customizations, page title, contact. Let's do the mindset call. So this one here, again, when I clicked on it, this part right here was blank. This was all there because it was there before. It existed already. Okay? This part was blank, so I had to type in a link that I want that page to go to. So I put mindset-call. I click update page. So when I did that, I created that page, which if you go to the top, again, / paste and / that's the page that they will go to when they click on it, and they'll see that. Okay? So, again, if you already have some pages, if you had them before, they're there, but they don't work until you make these changes. And if you don't have any, and if you want some, click add a page, put in the information, the page that you want on the left-hand side, put a permalink on the right-hand side, where you want it to go, and ignore this part right here because this is wrong. And then your page will be. So what I did to make it easy, and this is what I think you should do, is if you have a Word document, just do that. Get a Word document and paste in the proper link, which is either empowernetwork.com / your username or empower your username .empowernetwork.com and the page that you want it to go to. Take that page, and when you go to put it in your navigation bar, you paste that link in here. That's how you add the pages that you had before into your menu that's here at the top. Okay. The reason I did the video is so that you could figure out how to do that, and also I have the little play button, so if you don't get it, just scroll back through and figure out what you missed. And that's it. So hopefully that was helpful, and if it was, comment and share below, and I will see you on the next video. Make it a great day.